currently in our temporary exhibition, The Wings of Ireland, which chronicles the history of Irish aviation. And a big part of that history is the Pope's flight from Rome to Dublin in 1979. Here's a menu from that flight. It's printed in 3 languages in gold foil on the front and features things for breakfast such as Irish backrashers and prune juice. So lots of people usually recognise something like this, a commemorative plate from the Pope's visit. Like there's things like this hanging around all sorts of people's houses. So there was plates, there was cups, posters. It also brought out an entrepreneurial spirit in people's minds when he visited the Phoenix Park. There's a great deal of excitement around this visit, and people really got into the spirit, pardon the pun, that encouraged them to make things, such as this cycling hat that someone wore when they were heading to the Phoenix Park to see Pope John Paul. This is an interesting artifact surrounding that visit. It's what we call the Poposcope, which is a 2-mirror periscope that was used to see over the crowd of 1 million people when he was giving Mass. So here we have a roll of commemorative bus tickets from the visit. So these were dropped in by one of the bus drivers who we asked had he got any interesting stories surrounding the visit. And he just said, it's like any other day, I just drove the bus. With over 1 million people attending the Phoenix Park for the Mass, it was on the scale of some kind of rock concert. And of course, what's any good rock concert without a commemorative vinyl record that we have here? And how could you carry those home without a record bag that also commemorates the day? Every day on one of our guided tours, we have people who fondly remember that day, travelling up from the country or from other parts of Dublin, getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning and travelling into the Phoenix Park. And there's a great deal of nostalgia around this. And with the current visit happening, we're kind of seeing a parallel between the 2 times, so it's very exciting.